Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Before we start our lesson, let's take a moment to pray. I will lead the prayer. Prayer begins. Are students absent today?
No, everybody is present.
Please check about your is the airplane in the table of food. Okay. For the stand the listen, let's write our speaking in the morning. Stand up, please. Stand up, stand up. Okay. Stand up, stand up. Okay. This letter, please follow what we examples.
Yes.
Gak usah begini. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Make a kind of big, big, big. Smile, smile, smile. Big, big, big. Make a cycle. Small, small, small. Big, yellow hair. Okay? Okay. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, go. Make a circle, big, 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 small, 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 big, big, big. Make a circle, small, small, small. Hello, hello, hello. Yay! Okay, thank you everyone. Excited is the best. So, does anyone know what we are going to learn about today? Next, remember when you calculate the money you have left after buying something. For example, you have 20,000 and buy 8,000 for a drink. You all have 12,000 left, right? Well, we can write this relationship as an equation. 20,000 minus 8,000 equal 12,000. Now, what if miss size? You can go home on your assessment are finished. Does it have to be exactly 2 o'clock?
No.
That's right. As long as you finish your assessment, whether is 1:30, 1:45, or 2 o'clock, you can still go home. This isn't a fixed score, but rather a rank of score. This is what's called inequality. Next, learning objective. First, solve system of equation into variables. 2. Solve system of linear and inequalities into variable. 3. Apply the concept of system of linear equation and inequalities in everyday life. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows two expressions are equal. It always contains an equal sign equal. Linear equation in one variable, an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. The general form is ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are constant and x is the variable. Example, 2x plus 5 equal 11. Solving an equation, finding the value of the variable that makes the equation true. 2x plus 5 equal 11. 2x equal 11 minus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. 2x equals 6. 6 equals x equals 6 divide 2. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 3. Next, system of linear equation into variable or as or it V, a set of two or more linear equations with the same two variables. Method to solve: substitution, elimination, or graphing. Example: x plus y equals 7. X min y equals 3. Next.
Okay, this inequality. Inequality is a mathematical statement that competent the exponent is a inequality is coming that he are do again. Inequality say let's that gather that let's that or equal to gather that on equal to. Okay, next. Little inequality in one variable similar to a linear equality, but y and inequality seek in either of a inequality seek the collision in typical reader of valuation. Example: 3x min y 5. Solving in inequality similar to solving an inequality when one quantity differentiate rulers. We use quantity of differentiate but slice of a inequality by a negative number. You must reference the difference of the inequality sake. Solving 3x min 1 I 3x I plus 1 3x x 9 9 plus 3, 3. The solution inequality are number gather that 3 like 3, 1, 4, extension. Okay, next.
Who wants to answer the practice question? Raise your hand.
Me.
Okay, Mbak Yorin.
I am in number
Is
2.
number 2, Mbak Narisa. Finish, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mbak Narisa and Mbak Yorin. Give a round of applause for Yorin and Narisa.
Okay, this is quizzes. You will have to do in individual. You will have to done in on paper and they will be collected later. For the question, you can scan in here.
Yes, me.
Okay. Okay, the time is up. Now the connected the paper.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, before we finish up the lesson, I will to ask you something. One, what is the most important things you understand for today's lesson?
Yes.
The most important thing I understood is that an equation has one answer. value, while an inequality has many possible values.
Okay, thank you, Izzatul. So, does anyone know what we are going to learn about today?
We learn about equation and inequality.
Yes, that's right. Today we will learn about equation and inequalities. Okay, good. The summary of today's learning is
Okay, inequality have a single atom volume because use the inequality sign. Inequality have many possible volumes because the only thing less that, greater that, less that, and inequality 2 and greater the of inequality 2. Both help you understand relationship and comparing volumes in everyday situations.
how do you feel about today's lesson? Do you happy? Excellent participation today for homework. Please complete the reflection part of your Google Classroom. Okay, next week we will learn about English. So don't forget to read it before we end the class. Let's pray Hamdalah together. That's all for today. Thank you, and see you next week. Thank you.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.